Is your screen?
Yes, uncle.
Wanted to be bigger? Okay, I made it bigger. Now remember, last time we found out the angles for sine 0. How much is sine 0?
Sine 0 is 0, uncle.
0. How much is cos 0?
1.
1. Very good. How much is tan 0?
0.
0. Very good. How much is cosec 0?
0, uncle.
Not defined.
That's not defined. 0 by 1 is sine theta.
Uncle, isn't
1 by
cot
0
0
is
not defined?
cosec theta.
Isn't cot 0 only undefined?
Cot 0 is also not defined.
Okay, uncle.
0 by 1 is sine theta. So cosecant theta will be ulta. It will be upside down. So it will be 1 by 0. Anything by 0 is undefined. Okay. Cos theta is 1. What is secant theta then?
Secant theta is
Cos theta is 1 by 1. Secant theta is what? Ulta of that. What is that?
1.
1. That is also 1. Okay. Tan theta is 0 by 1. How much is cot theta?
1 by 0. That is undefined.
Undefined. Yeah, it's infinite, undefined. That's all. Okay. So for 0, you found out all the values. Okay. Then let us revise the other thing. Tan of 0 is how much? We know tan of 0 is 0. Tan of 30 is how much?
1 by root 3.
Root 3. Okay. Tan of 45 is how much?
45 is 1.
Tan of 60 is how much?
Root 3.
Very good. Sine of 0 we know is 0. Okay. Sine of 30 is how much?
1 by 2.
Ah, yes, 1 by 2. Sine of 45?
1 by root 2.
Root 2, very good. Sine of 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Very good. Inverse, for cos it will all be inverse. Cos of 0 is 1, we found out already. Cos 30 will therefore be?
Root 3 by 2.
Root
3 by 2, okay. Cos 45?
1 by root
1
2.
by root 2.
1 by root 2, very good. Cos 60?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, very good. Okay, and cos 90?
0.
0, very good. Tan 0?
0.
0.
Tan 30?
Tan 30 is
3.
1 by root 3.
Yes, very good. Very good, both of you. 1 by root 3. Tan 45?
1.
1.
Tan 60?
Root 3.
Root 3.
No. Okay, root 3, correct. Okay, tan 90?
Not defined.
Not defined, very good. So that is a table that is given here, okay. You see this table, first 3 values. Now we didn't do value for 90. Now, what happens in 90? Ulta of what happens in 0 happens in 90. Okay, you see this diagram again. Which diagram? This diagram you see again. When OP becomes 90, theta becomes 90 degree. This angle becomes 90 degree. OP will go where? It will go in this direction. It will go in that direction. And finally join OB. It will join OB. You understand? So it will become, this becomes, theta becomes 90 degrees now. Okay. So X is how much then? X is 0. Y is how much then? Y is 1. Okay. X becomes 0, Y becomes 1 in this case. Okay. So this point becomes 0, 1. This point was what? 1, 0. This point becomes 0, 1. Okay. You should remember X equal to 0, Y equal to 1. Now if you come, you will be able to understand. Theta is equal to 90. OP coincides with OB. That's what you just saw. OP becomes OB. Okay. vertical, it becomes vertical. Where b is 0, 1, x equal to 0, b equal to 1. Hence, sine 90 is equal to what?
1.
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is also 1. So sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay. Cos 90 is equal to adjacent side. Adjacent side becomes 0. X's value is 0. Okay. We'll draw that. No big deal. It's like that now. OP. Okay. So this has become 0, 1. So இதுதான் வந்து x. x வந்து இங்க வந்து நின்னுச்சு, இங்க வந்து நின்னுச்சு 0. x உடைய வேல்யூ 0 ஆயிடுச்சு. சரியா? அப்போ இது வந்து this was hypotenuse was 1. Now that is joined here, so this also become 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay. So now we have to have sin theta is equal to PQ by OP by OO divided by OP divided by OP. That's equal to 1 divided by 1. That's equal to 1. Okay. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay. Which was theta? This is theta. Adjacent side is OQ. OQ becomes 0. So OQ becomes 0. Okay. So what has happened then? Okay. So 90 degrees, cos 90 degrees is equal to adjacent side is 0. Hypotenuse is 1. That is become 0. Okay. Cos 90 is 0. This will be opposite of it. 1 by 1 sin 90. Opposite, this one goes there, that one goes there. This will also remain 1. So cosecant of 90 is always 1. Sin 90 is 1. Cosecant 90 is 1. Okay. But secant 90 is undefined because this was 0 by 1. Cos 90 was 0 by 1. Secant 90 is 1 by 0. So secant 90 is undefined. Very important. Cot 0 is undefined. Okay. Tan 90 is undefined. Tan 0 is 0. Tan 90 is undefined. Cot 0 is undefined. Cot 90 is 1. Okay. Cot 90 is 0. Like that. Okay. Tan 90 is also adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is x. X equal to 0. Opposite side is y equal to tan 90 is equal to opposite side. Opposite side is y by x by adjacent side. Okay. Y is 1, x is 0, adjacent side. So 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 it is coming. It is also not defined. So tan 90 is not defined. 1. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay. But 0 by 1 is defined. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So cot 90 is 0. So you keep on working on this table for some time till you start memorizing all of that. All right. Let me rub off all this nonsense first. You stare at this table for some time now. All of you stare at this table for some time now. Okay, we'll have a quiz now. Finally, you start at the table. I'm stopping the share. All right. I'm going to ask question and anybody can answer. First person to answer will be somebody who tells their name. You should say Arpana. Then I'll say, okay, tell the answer. Or you should say Sandhya. Whoever tells their name first, they will only get to answer. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Okay. Sine 0. Who wants to say?
Sandhya.
Sandhya. Okay, say Sandhya.
0.
Very good. Tan 0.
Arpana, uncle.
Okay, let us take alternatively. Why we want to have this? Alternatively. Sandhya will tell one, then Arpana will tell one. Sandhya will tell second, third one, then Arpana. Like that it will go. Now Arpana's chance. Tan 0.
0.
Okay. Now cos 0.
Not defined.
No.
Can I say, uncle?
Yes.
It's 1, uncle.
1. Cos 0 is 1. Okay, right. Sine 30. Sandhya.
Half.
Okay, very good. Sine 45.
1 by root 2.
No, Sandhya, you should not say. Arpana's chance, Arpana should say. If he doesn't, if he says wrongly, only you can say. Sir, இப்போ பண்ண முடியாது சார், கிளாஸ் நடந்துது சார். ஆமா, ரொம்ப பக்கத்துல இருக்கு. டிஸ்டர்ப் ஆகும். நாளைக்கு வர முடியுமா சார்? அந்த வாரத்துக்கு நாள் வரீங்களா? ப்ளீஸ் சார், சாரி சார், ரொம்ப சாரி. ஏன்னா பக்கத்துலயே நடந்துது கிளாஸ், வேற எங்கேயா இருந்தா கூட பண்ணுவேன். 3 மணிக்கு மார்னிங் டைம்ல வந்தீங்கன்னா ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கும் சார். ஆஃப்டர்நூன்ல இருந்து நைட் வரைக்கும் கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். தேங்க்யூ சார், சாரி, ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ஓகே, சாரி கைஸ், சாரி ஃபார் த டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ். Okay. Okay, sine 30 who told?
Sandhya.
Sandhya told half. Okay, sine 45.
1 by root 2.
Okay, sine 60.
Root 3 by 2.
Okay, sine 90.
1.
Okay, cos 0. Sandhya. Cos 30.
Root 3 by 2.
Okay, cos 45.
1 by root 2.
Cos 60.
1 by 2.
Very good. Cos 90.
0.
Very good. Tan 0.
Tan 0. 0.
Okay. Tan 30.
1 by root 3.
Tan 45.
1.
Tan 60.
Root 3.
Tan 90.
In infinity or not defined?
Not defined. Very good, very good. Not defined. Okay. Now we'll go for tougher ones now. Easy ones you all told off. Okay. Cosecant 0.
Not defined.
Very good. Cosecant 0 not defined. Not bad. Cosecant 0 not defined. Okay. Cosecant 30.
2.
Very good. Cosecant 45.
Root 2.
Very good. Cosecant 60.
2 by root 3.
Very good. Very good. 2 by root 3. Very good. Cosecant 90.
1.
Very good. Secant 0.
Secant 0. 1.
Okay. Secant 30.
2 by root 2. Root 3.
Root 3. Okay. Secant 45.
Root 2.
Okay. Secant 60.
2.
Very good. Secant 62. Very good. Secant 90.
Secant 90. Infinity or undefined?
Very good. Very good. Very good. Cot 0.
Not defined.
Cot 30.
30. 1 by 2.
Cot 30. Tan 60 is how much?
Tan 60 is root 3. Uncle.
Tan 30 is how much?
1 by root 3.
So cot 30 is how much?
Root 3 by 1. So
Root 3, that's all. Tan 45. I mean cot 45.
Who should answer, Uncle? Me or Sandhya?
Cot 45.
No, Uncle.
One.
Who should answer? Me or Sandhya?
Okay, Sandhya answer. Cot 45.
1.
1. Okay, cot 45. 1. Very good. Cot 60.
Cot 60. 1 by root 3.
Very good. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. And cot 90.
0.
Very good. Excellent, guys. Very good. You're doing very well. I really appreciate the intensity with which you have done. Okay. This table must be, at your fingertips. Okay. Now let us do one problem. In fact, let us do 3 problems. One second. All this is you will be learning 10th standard maths. Okay. Now what you have to do? First one, sin 30 plus cos 30. Okay. Somebody will tell how much is sin 30? 1% tell. Yes, somebody tell how much is sin 30?
A 1 by 2, Uncle.
1 by 2.
Uncle,
And
have you
cos
checked?
30.
Uncle,
How much is cos 30?
cos 30 is root 3 by 2.
So 3 by 2. So that becomes how much?
Uncle, did you start sharing screen, Uncle?
Oh, it's not sharing?
No, Uncle.
Oh. Now?
Yes, Uncle. Visible.
Coming up?
Yes, Uncle.
Oh, thank God you told. Otherwise, I'll keep on doing. Okay, so sin 30 is half. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So common denominator is 2. So 1 plus root 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Very simple sum, no?
Uncle, which one is this, Uncle?
Sum. Example 6.5.
Okay.
Page 231.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you.
Okay. Shall we do next one?
2 minutes, Uncle.
You want some time?
Yes, Uncle.
Okay, 1 second. I'll also come on. Denominator is common. So 1 plus root 3 you can take together. You don't have to convert it into decimal. Meaning you don't have to do this.
Okay.
1 plus 1.732 by 2. That is equal to 2.732 by 2. 2 will go into 1. It will go in 3. In 7, 3 times. In 13 it will go. 6 times 12 it will go. This is a decimal answer. You don't have to do that. You can just stop here. Okay.
Okay, Uncle.
You don't have to go all the way here. You will be wasting your time. Don't waste your time like that. Although 1.366 is a right answer, no problem. But they don't expect that from you. Can we go to next sum?
Yes, uncle.
Arpana?
Yes, uncle.
Next sum saying tan 45 divided by tan 30 plus tan 60. It's also very simple. How much is tan 45?
One.
Very good. Tan 30?
1 by root 3.
Very good. Tan 60?
Root 3.
Very good. Okay. Now denominator is a problem. Multiply both by root 3. What you can do? That's all you can do. Huh?
Hmm.
Multiply by root 3. We'll get,
So are we taking LCM here, uncle?
yeah, we can take LCM. 1 divided by, that is numerator. Numerator, no issues. Denominator only whole issue. Numerator, no issue. Okay.
Hmm.
So root 3, 1 plus, okay, into 1, you will get into 1. Okay. By 1 into root 3. Into root 3 you will have to put. So 1 plus root 3 into root 3, how much?
Root 6.
Root 9.
What is root 9?
81.
Yo-yo. That is 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 81.
Hmm.
Root of x into root of x is always equal to x, whatever x is.
Okay, uncle.
Okay, so root of 3 into root of 3 is what?
Root of 3.
9.
81.
81.
I'm telling root of x into root of x equal to x. What you're telling? Apply that here.
Root of 3. No, 3, uncle.
1 plus 3 by root of 3. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3 is how much?
4.
4 by root of 3. That is multiply. If you, this is dividing. If you take and multiply it, it will become opposite. That will become root of 3 by 4. 1 into root of 3 by 4 is equal to how much? Root of 3 by 4. That's all. Answer correct. Textbook answer is also coinciding with that. I'm not telling textbook is always right. Just now I told a 10th standard boy, they put some wrong sum in the textbook example. Okay. If you put wrong sum, you'll get confused. So you should not get confused with the textbook. Sometimes those who write these textbooks, they put some wrong book and wrong sum and all of that. And then you get confused with that nonsense. Don't get confused. Okay. Now you have to wait 1 minute. I'll have to post this. Okay, I've sent it to you guys. You can download and see. Okay, second sum solved. Now third sum. We solved third sum first. 1 and 3 we solved first. Okay, no problem. We'll solve second sum then. Second sum says tan 60 into cot 60. Rub this off. You don't have to find tan 60 or cot 60 at all. Okay. Tan theta into cot theta is what? Tan theta into 1 by tan theta. Correct. So 1 tan theta will cross. You will always get one answer. But let us not do it like that. We'll do how much is tan 60?
Root 3.
Root 3. How much is cot 60?
1 by root 3.
Root 3 cancel. Answer is 1. Okay.
1.
Answer is 1. Very good. Very good. This is the second sum. Same example 6.5 value. Now, fourth problem. Now it's getting tougher. Sin squared 45 plus cos squared 45 is telling. How much is sin 45?
1 by root 2.
By root 2. Square of that is how much?
1 by root 2 the whole square.
1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. How much?
1 by 2.
Very good. Yeah, it is half. Same way, cos 45 is how much?
1 by root 2.
Same value only. So cos squared 45 also will be how much?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. So sin squared 45 plus cos squared 45 is equal to half plus how much? Half plus half, what? Got 1 year, cos squared 45. Half plus how much?
1, 1.
Ada?
1.
Half plus what?
Half.
Is equal to?
1.
Very good. Okay. Finished. That's all example 6.5. Easy, no?
Yes, uncle.
Very easy. What? When only it will become tough. It will become tough now. Okay. Okay, that is done. That sum we finished. Very good, very good. Okay. The set of three numbers are called as Pythagorean triplets as they form the sides of a right angle triangle. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, how it forms a right angle triangle? Yeah. 3, 4, and 5. How it forms a right angle triangle? There is a triangle in a right angle. This 5, this 3, this 4. Seriya? This is A, this B, this C. Why it is called a Pythagorean triplet? Because 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. Sum of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the opposite square. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Correct? No? That's why it's called Pythagorean. Same way, 5, suppose this is 13, this is 12, this is 5. So 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to 13 squared. 25 plus 144 equal to 169. So that is also a Pythagorean triplet. Understand? இதெல்லாம் பார்த்த உடனே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடணும். As soon as issue 3, 4, 5, இந்த பாரு Pythagorean tripletல நம்மள ஏமாத்த பாக்குறாங்க. டபக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடணும். Understand?
Yes, uncle.
Same way 7, 24, and 25. 7 squared is how much?
49.
49. 49 plus 24 squared is how much? 576. Is equal to how much? 625. This is 25 squared. This is 24 squared. This is 7 squared. 7 squared plus 24 squared equal to 25 squared. Again, 7, 24, 25. பார்த்த உடனே என்ன சொல்லிடணும்? டேய் Pythagorean triplet கண்டுபிடிச்சிடணும். உஷாராயிடணும். ரைட்டா? Should not be blinking at 7, 4, 24, 25. What is this? You have to find out something. If you know the Pythagorean triplets like that, you will save time in your exam. What you will save? டக்குன்னு எக்ஸாம்ல டைம் சேவ் பண்ணுவீங்க. அதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா எல்லார்கிட்ட யோசிச்சுனே இருக்கணும். ஒன்னொன்னுக்கும் கண்டுபிடிச்சுன்னு இருக்கணும். ஓகே. 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. 7, 24, and what is a Pythagorean triplet? 7, 24, and what is a Pythagorean triplet?
25.
25. Okay. Then what else we found was a Pythagorean triplet?
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, 5 already told. What else?
Mm.
5 and 5, 12 and என்னப்பா யாரும் பேச மாட்டீங்க தூங்கிட்டீங்களா எல்லாரும்? We'll have to do one more example. 2 more examples we'll have to do at least.
17, uncle.
5, 12 and 13. 5 is 25 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. 13 squared is 169. Remember that. Okay.
Okay.
Very easy now. Okay, let's do example 6.6 now. We go to the screen now. You got this idea, Pythagorean triplet?
Yes,
It will be
uncle.
very useful if you memorize some Pythagorean triplets. Very useful. Okay, now what they are telling, find the values of the following. Example 6.6. Cos 0 plus cos 0, not theta. Cos 0 plus sin 45 plus sin 30. See, it's getting complex, yeah? You wanted complexity, it's getting complex. Sin 90 minus cos 45 plus cos 60. Multiply. Okay. How much is cos 0?
1.
1. Okay. 1. How much is sin 45?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. How much is sin 30?
Half.
Very good. How much is sin 90?
1.
Very good. Minus cos 45?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Yeah, cos 45 and sin 45 is same. Then cos 60?
Half.
Very good. Okay, now this is what you have to calculate. Okay. What is what do you call that? Denominator, what you can do?
Multiply it by 2, uncle.
Denominator, LCM you have to find. 2 root 2 LCM. 1 by 1 root 2, 2, no common. So everything 2 root 2. Okay. That means you have to multiply this by 2 root 2. What will be? You have to multiply this by 2 root 2. Okay. So this becomes 2 root 2. Then into 2 you have to multiply this. Into 2 you have to multiply. Because already root 2 is there. Okay. Already root 2 is there. So only you have to multiply by 2. 1 into 2 is how much? Plus 2. Right. Huh? 1 into 2 is 2. You're understanding?
Yes,
Many people don't know how to use the LCM to find the sums like this. That's why I'm asking. Anita Methodist School, many people don't know anything like this. Here you have 2 is there. So you have to multiply by root 2 to get 2 root 2. Bottom. So top also you have to multiply
root 2.
Root 2. Here what will come? Here also it looks like 2 root 2 only. La? Inga root 2, inga 2 இருக்குது. அப்போ 2 root 2 இங்க எப்படியும் தெரியும் 1 divided by 1 into 2 root 2 போட்டா இங்க 2 இங்க 2 root 2 வரும். So 2 root 2 minus இங்க என்ன பண்ணோம் into 2 பண்ணோம் minus 2 plus half na into root 2 there also into root 2 you get. Now here 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. How much is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2?
2.
2 into 2 is
4.
4. Root 2 into root 2 is
2.
2. So the denominator becomes 8. Okay. Yeah. Now multiply. What you have to multiply here?
Again 8, uncle. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2.
Here you can add 1 root 2 plus another 2 root 2. So that becomes 3 root 2 plus 2. 2 root 2 plus root 2. Again,
Uncle, how are you
3
getting
root
3
2
root
minus 2.
2?
Huh?
I don't get how we're getting 3 root 2 plus 2.
See,
Uncle.
this is root 2. Let us say root 2 is x. This is 2x. Again, root 2 is x. 2x plus x is equal to how much? 2x plus x is equal to how much? 3x, right? Same way, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, 1 root 2. There is, think it is 1 root 2. 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is equal to 3 root 2.
Okay.
Same way here also, 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is equal to 3 root 2. Now, what formula you got? A plus b into a minus b form you have got. Very easy now to solve. See? You must see the pattern. Otherwise, you'll be blinking how to do this. A plus b into a minus b is equal to how much?
A plus B, uncle.
A plus b into a minus b equal to how much? This is algebra. Say the algebra formula. No, algebra formula என்னது? All blinking forgot.
2ab, uncle.
2a belong at a squared minus b squared. Go and read your 8th standard algebra. You are not mastered your 8th standard algebra. That's why you are struggling in 9th standard. Okay. Everything you don't do in your 8th standard will come and trouble you in your 9th standard. That is why you think that you can skip the lessons. You are very happy that the Tamil Nadu syllabus board education minister is asking you to skip the lessons. But that fellow is spoiling your future. Every education minister, a fellow who is reducing the portion is what he is doing. He's not doing you good. He's spoiling your future. Okay. Don't be happy about him. Curse that fellow. Why are man? Hey, give the full syllabus, man. We have to write the full thing. When I come to engineering, you will only teach me. Education minister will come and teach you. A plus b into a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. That fellow won't come. No, he doesn't even know what is maths. That's why he's education minister. Okay. So don't be very happy that the syllabus is reduced. Syllabus may be reduced, but you study everything. Now, a plus b into a minus b is equal to, like we saw, a squared minus b squared. So what will be the top now? This is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. Now you tell. A squared minus b squared, what now? Silence. Number.
3 is A, uncle.
3 root 2 is a. What you should do?
3 root 2 square, the whole square.
Minus what?
Minus 2 square.
What?
The whole square.
Whole square. Divided by 8. Okay. So 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 is how much? 3 into 3?
9.
9. Root 2 into root 2?
2.
2. 9 into 2?
18.
So 18 minus 2 into 2 is how much?
4.
4.
4 by 8. 18 minus 4 is how much?
14.
13 now.
14.
14 by 8. Simplify. Divide by 2. How much you'll get?
7.
Simplify. Fast. This is all simple work. Divide by 2 both sides.
7 by 4, uncle.
7 by 4. Correct answer. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Give yourselves a hand. You did very well. Very easily you finish the sum. Okay. Now I'm going to post this also. Give me a second. I'll post it on WhatsApp. Okay, we've done that. Let's go back. Okay, now that is done. Let us take another problem now. Tan squared 60 minus tan squared 45 minus cos. Becoming more complex. Let us see if this is at least difficult. Huh? Maybe it is difficult, or maybe it's not. Okay, now Sandhya, you told that trigonometry is not there in the syllabus. Okay. Now, do you have the list of that PDF or something file which has what is in the syllabus?
No, uncle. I shared today, uncle.
No, I'm asking, how you know that trigonometry is not there in the syllabus for this year?
My school gave me the common notes, uncle.
They gave you what?
Classwork.
Class book.
Classwork.
Class work.
Yes, uncle.
In class work, what they told you?
Common notes.
Huh?
Common notes, uncle.
Okay, what they told in the common notes?
They didn't give that lesson, uncle. Trigonometry chapter.
Did they tell that the trigonometry is omitted?
No, uncle.
Then why you are telling it is omitted? You go ask your miss. Which are the miss or master?
Miss.
Okay. Tomorrow you go ask your miss in class, miss, what are the lessons that are omitted from the syllabus, and you mark and come and tell me.
Okay, uncle.
Huh? Okay.
Sure, uncle.
Trigonometry, some other thing. What is all omitted, you come and tell me. It is very dangerous to omit lessons. I will try to cover everything. But if some lessons are omitted, we will take them a little bit later. Okay. So
Okay.
that no unnecessarily. But how to confirm that thing? Government of India, Samachir syllabus, government website. Is it telling that trigonometry is omitted?
No, uncle.
Yeah, where it is telling? You give me that proof. But give me that link. That where which subjects are all omitted. Take photograph and paste it on WhatsApp. Which are the omitted and which are the included in the syllabus. Arpana, you also try to do that tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Then we'll see. But trigonometry is a very lovely subject. If you omit it, you
I
will
don't
become
think
idiots.
any lessons are omitted for me, uncle.
Don't omit. Let us do everything. Only 9 lessons are there. That also you omit. What you will learn, you'll become an idiot when you finish 10th standard. Okay, we don't want to become idiots. We want to become wise people, nice, intelligent people. See, many people already have this idea that math is tough, math is not interesting. Only some kind of people will do maths, all that thing. Okay. Now, if you guys come home next time, wait, Sandhya, did you
Yes,
see the
uncle.
movie Shakuntala Devi with your daddy and mummy?
Yes, uncle.
Pathingla?
Ah,
Very good. Oh, very good. Daddy and mummy also saw with you, or they made you alone see it?
together sword, uncle. Sword.
What you learned from that? How did you like that movie?
Relationship between her mother and daughter.
Relationship between husband and with a mother and a daughter. Okay.
And she
Maths,
built up her
uncle.
personality by herself.
Huh?
She built up her personality by herself, uncle.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. And she's breaking all the molds. Okay. Usually what they tell, women will not be able to do maths. Okay. They tell or they don't tell. Women children put her in English. Yeah. That's why you are also telling I will take English. but you don't want to take maths, science. STEM subjects. STEM subjects means science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Okay. So girls are usually told you should not go for STEM subjects. You should go only for humanities. Okay. Why? Because you will not be good at mathematics or science or technology. You're not fit for that. You're a woman, no, so you can do only the other kind of subjects, English literature, like that. That is why you are also telling me I will become a English literature teacher. All right. Don't decide yet. It's good. It's good. Become an English teacher is very good, but don't decide to become a teacher because in India, society is telling that women can only become teacher or nurse or doctor, like that. Okay. Don't become, because people are telling only women can become only teachers or doctors, like that. Okay. You can become an architect. See, Arpana's older sister is becoming an architect. She's becoming a design engineer. So see, you can become anything you want to be. Okay. Like that. Huh? So keep your eyes open. Don't close your goals. Don't tell in 9th standard itself, whatever I'll be 20 years from now, I already decided. Don't be like that. Keep an open mind. Keep learning. Once you become a good mathematician, then in your +2, based on how you perform, then you start deciding what career course you want to take. Okay?
Okay, uncle.
Why not you become a professor of mathematics? Why not you become a research scientist, a social scientist? Do you know what is a social scientist? My wife is a social scientist. She's a sociology grad. She's a literature grad. She's also a theology grad. She's an interdisciplinary thinker. Okay. Like that, you can think and do many things. My wife is a triple MA. So there are a lot of things you can do in your life. All right. Okay. Now let us get back to this exercise. Now, what is given there? Why don't you close the door? So you opened it and you just left it open. I want you to close that door. Don't keep telling lies. I want you to put that up. Three times you are lying. Okay, let's get on with it. Sorry, guys. Some disturbance. People are talking in the outside. Okay. Now, this is the next lesson. Tan squared 60 upon becoming very complex. -2 tan squared 45 minus cot squared 30 +2 sin squared 30. Yamma. Still not ending. Plus 3/4 cosec squared 45. Odma. Okay. How much is tan 60? How much is tan 60?
Root 3.
Root 3. Root 3 into, because there is a square here. So you'll have to square it. Minus 2 into, how much is tan 45?
1.
You have to square 1. 1 into square. Okay. How much is cot 35? Oh, sorry. Minus cot 30. How much?
Root 3.
Yeah, correct.
Root 3.
Root 3. That is also to be squared. So what you do again? Square. Plus 2 into sin 30. How much is sin 30?
Half.
Half. Here you have to square it. Okay, so half squared. Then plus 3/4 of cosecant 45. Cosecant 45 squared.
Root 2.
Yeah, that is root 2. Squared. Because here it is squared. Okay, now let us simplify. Root 3 into root 3, how much?
3.
Very good. 2 into 1 squared. 1 into 1 is how much? 1. 2 into 1. 2 into 1, how much?
2. 2.
2.
2. Okay. minus again root 3 the whole square, how much?
3.
3. Okay, this 3 will cancel out this 3. Okay, plus 2 into half is how much?
1/4, uncle.
Very good, 1/4. 1/4. This will simplify how much? 2 will go in 4 how many times?
2 times.
2 times. So that becomes a plus 3/4 of root 2 into root 2 how much?
2.
2. Very good. This will simplify how much? 4 will become how much? Huh?
3/2.
3/2. Okay. So now minus 2 plus half plus 3/2. That is what you want. Okay. 3/2 plus half is how much?
3/2.
How much?
3/4.
3 plus 1 how much?
4, uncle.
4/2 how much? 4/2 how much? Yeah, don't blink.
1/2.
No, 2.
2.
Yeah, so it is 2 minus 2. How much is the final result?
0.
0. எவ்வளவு பயங்கர காம்ப்ளெக்ஸா குட்டான் பச்சில பார்த்தா 0 வந்துச்சு. So you should remember one thing. If you are given 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree in the triangle like this, if you are given 45, 45, okay, ratio is 1:1 root 2. Okay, that's all simple. But if you are given 30, 60, 90, okay, then it becomes root 3, 1, 2. This is all you have to remember. If you remember this, very easy to work out. Even if you forget the formula, if you remember this, you will get it correctly. Okay. இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கொள்ளுங்கள். If the angles are 45, 45, 90, then the sides will be 1, 1 root of 2. If the angles are 30, 60, 90, then it will be 1, 2 root of 3. From that, you can easily find out whatever ratio you want to find out. Okay. For example, what is cot 30? Adjacent side by opposite side. And 30 adjacent side in now. Adjacent side 2.
Do we want cot 30, uncle?
Okay. Sorry. Cot 30. This is 90 degree angle. Wait. This is 90 degree angle. Okay. So this is hypotenuse. So cot 30. Tan 30 will be how much?
Root 3/1.
There is something wrong here. Wait. I think I have done the ratios wrongly. Okay, but remember this thing. We'll come back to it later. I think I'm wrong. The numbers I've written in a different way, wrongly. Okay, but this is true. 45 means 1, 1 and root 2. 30, 60, 90 means 2, root 3 and 1. Numbers will come like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now you've done that. Let's get into exercise now. We have not done exercise for a long time. Already time is up. What to do? We'll do one exercise at least, and you do sum number 2 and come back. Sum number 2 you take for homework. I'm just posting this.
This exercise 6.2.
6.2. Sum number 2 you do for homework.
Okay.
Some number. Okay, we'll do 3 and 4 here next class. We'll finish it this week, no problem. One thing, I'll just post this in your WhatsApp. The teachers will post you, huh? Okay. Now we are back to this thing. Example 6.2. First sum we'll do. Okay, first sum. We will just finish first sum. We took 5 minutes extra. Okay, so I'm not taking extra time. We'll finish this thing and go off. Only first sum we'll do. Exercise 6.2. Okay, sum number 1. Sum number 1. Verify the following equalities. Sin squared 60 plus cos squared 60 equal to 1. Okay, now you'll have to start with LHS. How much is sin 60? The same meaning. How much is it?
Root 3
3 by 2 the whole square plus cos squared 60 is equal to half squared. Okay. Now root 3 into root 3, how much? This part.
3.
So 3 kilo எவ்வளவு வரும்?
4.
4 plus half squared எப்படி? 3 by 4 plus half squared எவ்வளவு? Half into half எவ்வளவுப்பா? இது 1 into 1, இது 2 into 2. 2 into 2 எவ்வளவு? 4. 3/4 plus 1/4 எவ்வளவு? எவ்வளவு? 3 plus 1 எவ்வளவு?
4.
4. You are becoming slower. I think you didn't sleep properly, or you are eating something and sleeping. Which of this thing is true? Okay, 4 by 4 is equal to how much? How much?
4 by 4 equal to 2
16.
by 2.
4 divided by 4. Any number divided by itself is how much?
4.
How can 4 divided by 4 equal to 4?
1, uncle.
1, yeah, 1. That is equal to right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS, proved. What he wants to prove? He wants to prove that this is equal to 1. You have proved this is equal to 1. Okay, matter over. Huh? Okay, I'll post this sum first. We'll do one more so that you get an idea. Okay. Now what we'll take? Let us take exercise 6.2. Second sum. Exercise 6.2. First sum. Adula vandu second. Okay. 1 plus tan squared 30 is equal to secant squared 30. That's what you have to prove. Okay. This is LHS. You have to prove that is equal to RHS. LHS means what? Left hand side. You have to prove that is equal to right hand side. 1 plus. Okay. Tan 30 is how much?
Root 3.
No.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Here there is a square. So if you square this, how much you'll get?
1 by 3.
1/3. So take LCM. This will be 1. 1 by 1 into 3 into 3. So how much? 1 into 3 is how much?
3.
That is equal to 4 by 3. Correct. Correct or not?
Correct, uncle.
Okay, so this is right hand side 1. Keep like that. Then go for secant square theta 30. Secant 30 is equal to how much?
2 by root 3.
Very good. 2 by root 3. Secant square 30 is therefore equal to 2 by root 3 into 2 by root 3. 2 into 2 how much?
4.
Root 3 into root 3 how much?
3.
3.
That is, this is LHS, sorry, this is LHS. This is RHS. The two are same or not?
Same, uncle.
So 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Matter over. Subject. Okay. Like that. We'll do one more sum or we'll finish. It's becoming very late for you guys. You have any other class or anything? Okay, we'll stop here today. We'll
Yeah.
come back and you do sum number 2. Okay. Sum number 2 you do and come. 3 and 4 we will finish here. Then finish tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions or anything? But don't do and come and show me here. Okay. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, morning itself, you paste all the sums that you have done. 3 sums are there in sum number 2. Okay. At least try to finish 2 and put the answers there. Okay. This
Yes,
answer
uncle.
I'm putting for you. It's easy. It's not a big deal. If you did, I think you guys are intelligent enough to do it. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye,
Bye.
uncle.
Bye. Come back 6.2. We'll finish next week and we'll move on further. Okay, we'll try to do maximum to do 6.3 also. Next week we'll finish 6.3 Wednesday, and Friday we'll finish 6.4. Okay, and then you can do MCQs in the holidays and come back to me. All right. Bye bye.
Bye, uncle.
Bye. Bye, Arpana.